Apple Cash lets you send and receive money digitally. But how do you get that money into your bank account? You have two main options: instant transfer and standard transfer. Instant transfers get your money to your bank in minutes, but come with a 1.5% fee, minimum 31 cents, maximum $15. Standard transfers are free but take 1 to 3 business days. Both options transfer funds from your Apple Cash card, a virtual Visa debit card managed by Green Dot Bank and linked to your iCloud account. To initiate a transfer, open the Wallet app, select Apple Cash, choose Transfer to Bank, pick your transfer type, and confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Remember, transfers are irreversible, so double-check the amount. So which transfer method is right for you? If you need the money urgently, instant transfer is the way to go, despite the fee. For non-urgent transfers, save money by using the standard option. Keep in mind, availability of instant transfers depends on whether your bank supports it. Major banks usually do, while regional banks might not. Usage is increasing, and experts predict that Apple may lower or even eliminate instant transfer fees in the future to compete with other digital payment services. Also, look out for AI integration to help make decisions and enhance security and encryption features.